Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to tame Terrenus early in game in ICARUS. What you need to do, go to the tech tree, tier 2, and research the ranching station, water throw, and food throw. Also with the animal bed. This is the minimum what you need to tame any creature in ICARUS. So to get the Terrenus, you will need to find the Terrenus adult and the juvenile together. Nextly, you want to get rid of the adult and just press F on the juvenile Terrenus. This is going to make the Terrenus follow you, and you can bring him back to the animal bed with the food and water throws. Here you can press F to stop leading the creature, and it should start taming. You can also feed it by giving it any meat or vegetable by holding it in hand and pressing the right mouse button. You can see the taming progress is 1%. This is going to take a while. This is essentially how you get the Terrenus tamed in ICARUS. Once it's tamed, you can put on a saddle or anything you would like. Also, be sure to protect the juvenile because it's going to get attacked by wolves or any other hostile creatures that might be nearby. So, this is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.